Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Shazia Khatun. Today I am going to tell you about our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was born in Makkah on Monday in the month of Rabiul Awwal. His another name is Ahmad. He is last prophet. Allah sent the Holy Quran through Jibreel alayhi salam to the Holy Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam. Allah sent Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam to teach people what is right and what is wrong. We should follow our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Khuda Hafiz.